So you've installed PanelAlpha on your VPS, but how do you actually launch your first WordPress site from it? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and deploy a new WordPress instance using PanelAlpha single server. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully working WordPress site running on your VPS, complete with SSL, isolated resources, and full control through your own hosting dashboard. What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV. In our previous tutorial, I showed you how to install PanelAlpha on your own VPS server. Now, we're going to take that next step and actually use PanelAlpha to create your first WordPress site. And this is where PanelAlpha really starts making things simple. Instead of manually installing WordPress, setting up databases, configuring your server, and dealing with SSL, PanelAlpha walks you through a guided workflow where everything is handled for you in the background. So let's just jump right into it, shall we? Now I'm inside the PanelAlpha dashboard, also known as the client area. To get started, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Add New button. Once you click that, you'll be asked to choose what type of instance you want to create. Go ahead and click Create New WordPress Instance, since we're setting up a brand new site, and then click Continue. Now, depending on your plan or configuration, you may see an option to choose a theme for your website. If that option appears, you can go ahead and select a theme to pre-design your site. If not, no problem, just continue to the next step. Next, you'll need to enter your domain name. If you already have a domain name ready, type it here. If your DNS is not pointing yet, you can still proceed and connect it later. PanelAlpha also supports previewing your site before DNS changes using the Without DNS feature. After that, you'll be asked to set your website name. This is simply the title of your WordPress website, so enter whatever name you want the site to have. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and click on the Create Site button. Now, PanelAlpha will begin creating your WordPress instance. This process runs asynchronously, which means it happens in the background and only takes a few minutes to complete. During this time, PanelAlpha is automatically setting up your environment, creating the container, installing WordPress, configuring the database, and preparing your site for use. Once that process finishes, your new WordPress site will appear in the dashboard. From here, you can click into the instance to manage everything inside your related site. You'll be able to access your live website, open your WordPress admin panel, check your domain status, manage backups, and perform other daily operations directly from PanelAlpha. Everything is centralized, so you don't need to jump between multiple tools or manually configure anything. And that's it, you have successfully created your first site using PanelAlpha single server. At this point, you now have a fully self-hosted WordPress environment running on your VPS, with the simplicity of managed hosting and the flexibility of full control. This is what makes PanelAlpha such a strong option, especially if you want to avoid ongoing platform fees while still having a modern hosting experience. If you're running this on a RackNerd VPS, you already have a solid foundation for performance and reliability. And if you haven't yet, feel free to check out RackNerd.com for VPS solutions that work perfectly with setups like this. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more step-by-step hosting, WordPress, and server tutorials just like this one. Appreciate you watching, and I will catch you in the next one.